In the vast tapestry of history, there are few figures whose influence weaves through the ages with such profound impact as Galen, a towering intellect of the ancient world. His pioneering work, set against the backdrop of a remarkable era filled with eminent researchers, reveals not only his brilliance but also the extraordinary initiatives that helped shape the destiny of humankind. Born in the culturally rich and renowned city of Pergamon in the year 129 CE, Galen's early life unfolded in the midst of the Roman Empire. Yet, it was his insatiable curiosity and an uncanny talent for medicine that set him on a path of exceptional significance. Galen's family background provided him with a solid foundation, and the socio-cultural conditions of his time allowed him to cultivate his intellectual prowess. One of the most intriguing aspects of Galen's life was his relentless pursuit of knowledge through extensive travels and collaborations with other outstanding minds of his era. His ceaseless quest for truth also led him to prominent centers of learning in Alexandria, the heart of ancient knowledge, and Rome, the epicenter of civilization. These journeys introduced him to a wealth of diverse ideas and practices, which he would later blend into a harmonious symphony of medical expertise. During his time in Rome, Galen's expertise in medicine gained the attention of Emperor Marcus Aurelius, whom he served as a personal physician. This pivotal role provided him with unrivaled access to the highest echelons of power and influence, shaping his worldview and allowing him to make groundbreaking contributions to the field of medicine. Galen's meticulous observations and extensive writings on anatomy, pharmacology, and pathology became foundational to the understanding of the human body for centuries to come. Galen's work, however, was not confined to the medical realm. He was a polymath of his time, delving into philosophy, logic, and ethics, contributing to a tapestry of knowledge that transcended disciplinary boundaries. A prolific writer of his works, of the hundreds of works that it is thought he produced, about 160 survive substantially intact. His intellectual legacy laid the groundwork for a profound shift in societal progress, expanding the horizons of human understanding and awareness. Moreover, Galen's meticulous dissections of animals provided critical insights into human anatomy, and his compendiums on the subject were the definitive texts for centuries. His emphasis on empirical observation and the scientific method set a new standard in medical inquiry, laying the foundation for the evidence-based medicine we rely on today. Galen's achievements, however, set him apart not only from his contemporaries, but also from the luminaries who preceded him. His rigorous empirical approach to medicine distinguished him from ancient healers who relied on mysticism and tradition. Galen's devotion to anatomical dissection and experimental observation elevated his work to a level of sophistication that surpassed his predecessors, firmly grounding medicine in the realm of science. His philosophical musings on the nature of the soul and ethics, too, were pivotal. Galen's ethical principles, which emphasize the importance of the doctor-patient relationship, have a lasting impact on the ethical codes that guide modern medical practitioners. Galen's work, in essence, was a timely game-changer in the unfolding dynamics of history. In an era when medical practice was rife with superstition and conjecture, his unwavering commitment to the scientific method elevated the field of medicine to new heights. The impact of his work was not limited to his time but resonated through the annals of history, shaping the course of medical knowledge and the betterment of human life. The socio-cultural progress of mankind was profoundly affected by Galen's work. As his ideas spread, a new era of scientific inquiry and evidence-based medicine began to take shape. His emphasis on empirical observation and systematic experimentation paved the way for future generations of scientists and physicians. The development of the potential of man and the growth of human civilization were intrinsically linked to the expansion of knowledge brought about by Galen's groundbreaking contributions. The growth of knowledge and awareness, propelled by Galen's work, gave rise to a more enlightened society. With a better understanding of the human body and the principles of medicine, individuals were empowered to take charge of their health and well-being. Galen's contributions marked a turning point in the history of human civilization, propelling it towards a future where science and reason played increasingly vital roles in shaping our understanding of the world. While Galen's work continues to be revered, it is essential to acknowledge the circumstances of his life that influenced his journey. His collaborations with other prominent figures of his time, such as the philosopher and physician Eudemus, enriched his understanding of philosophy and its intersection with medicine. These interactions, infused with his insatiable curiosity, contributed to the depth and breadth of his knowledge. Galen's travels, particularly to the renowned city of Alexandria, exposed him to a wealth of diverse traditions and practices. This experience broadened his horizons, allowing him to synthesize different schools of thought and medical practices into a cohesive and innovative approach to medicine. His interactions with scholars and practitioners from various cultures underscored the interconnectedness of human knowledge and the rich tapestry of ideas that define the ancient world. Throughout his life, Galen's work took him to many corners of the Roman Empire, where he made significant contributions and enjoyed recognition for his expertise. The impact of Galen's work was felt not only during his lifetime but also long after his passing. His writings and principles continued to shape the course of medical history, influencing generations of physicians and scholars. The knowledge he imparted became a cornerstone of medical education and practice, ensuring that his legacy endured through the centuries. Galen's passing, which occurred around 210 CE, marked the end of a remarkable life dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity. While the exact circumstances of his death remain shrouded in history, the impact of his work remains undeniably clear. His contributions continue to reverberate through the corridors of medical institutions and the minds of those who seek to unravel the mysteries of the human body. In comparing Galen to other eminent luminaries of his time, it becomes evident that his work possessed a unique and enduring quality. While his predecessors and contemporaries made significant contributions to their respective fields, Galen's systematic approach, emphasis on empirical observation, and integration of philosophy into medicine set him apart. The distinctive principles that Galen introduced were nothing short of revolutionary. It provided a systematic framework for understanding health and illness and was a significant departure from the mystical and superstitious practices that predominated. Galen's rigorous approach to anatomical dissection, combined with his extensive writings on the subject, laid the foundation for the study of human anatomy. His emphasis on empirical observation and the scientific method set a new standard for medical inquiry, introducing a level of precision and accuracy that was previously unmatched. His ethical principles, emphasizing the doctor-patient relationship and the importance of patient consent, laid the groundwork for the ethical codes that guide modern medical practice. In the grand tapestry of history, the figure of Galen stands as a brilliant and enduring thread. His pioneering work, his intellectual collaborations, and his insatiable thirst for knowledge cast a long shadow that continues to shape the course of human understanding. Galen's commitment to the scientific method, his systematic approach to medicine, and his contributions to multiple fields have left an indelible mark on the progress of human civilization. As we unravel the rich tapestry of history, we find that Galen's life and work were not just an isolated thread, but a brilliant strand woven into the intricate fabric of human progress. In the enduring legacy of Galen, we witness the power of curiosity, the pursuit of knowledge, and the impact one individual can have on the growth of human understanding. His life serves as a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind, inspiring us to continue our journey of discovery and enlightenment.